Shawn Olsen with Utah State University Extension. Want to show you a quick and easy way to grill sweet corn. Now of course you want the very best, highest quality corn to start with. So when you're shopping, look for corn with a bright green husk. Maybe check the tip a little bit. Make sure it's on the younger side, and the younger kernels will be full of sugar. So when we start grilling it, they will turn to caramel and give the corn a wonderful flavor in addition to the smoke flavor from the grill. Now there's a lot of ways to do this. A real simple way that I found to do it is to pull off a few of the outer layers, leave 2 or 3 layers, and take that corn, soak it in water. I've just used this cooler. Probably about a minimum of 15 minutes, up to an hour. Then go ahead, take it off, put it on the grill. I like to use a medium grill, 350 to 400 degrees. So our corn's there on the grill. Now, the advantage of soaking it in the water is that it will help steam the kernels. They'll be more plump and more juicy. Now the corn needs to be turned about every 5 minutes, and as it cooks, it will char and give a smoky flavor to the corn. So I'm going to put that on there. Let that cook for about 5 minutes, and then I'll turn it 5 minutes per quarter, so a total of about 20 minutes. You can see the ear starting to get some char on it. You'd like that char on all 4 quarters. So I'm going to set this one aside and just let it sit there for a couple of minutes, because it'll be good and hot, and then we'll peel that back, and then it'll be ready to eat. I also like to leave a little bit of the stalk here on the end. That can be used as a handle, like if you're eating it outside or in a park or whatever. If you're going to serve it in a more formal setting inside, you can of course cut that off. So it's best to use some gloves or an oven mitt or something when you start peeling this corn, because it'll be hot. So let's take a look. The beauty of this method is that the silks, once they're cooked, they just peel right off. This could have been cooked just a little teeny bit more, but you can see the silks just come right off. Then go ahead and put a little butter, salt and pepper, garlic salt, whatever you like, and then give it a taste. Very good. The advantage of this method, it's real simple. Just soak the corn in the water, put it on the grill. Now there's a couple of other options that you can do. The first one is you can take some corn, peel it back, get all the silks off, then pull the husk back, and then just tie the end here with one of the husks, like I've done here with this one. Then this is ready to go right on the grill. That'll keep the husk around the corn and help protect it. Now another option is you can completely shuck the corn, then wrap it in aluminum foil. The foil helps protect the corn. Then just put that right on the grill. Now with this method, with the foil and the husk on, the corn will cook a little quicker, probably 10 or 12 minutes. Whereas with the husk on, it'll take 15 to 20 minutes. Another option is completely shuck the corn. Just put the corn itself right on the grill. And with any of these methods, you need to keep the corn turned every few minutes. The disadvantage of the foil and the completely shucked corn is you won't get quite as much of the smoky flavor as when you're using it in the husk, and as the husk char, it gives the corn a really unique flavor. Okay, so we've been grilling this corn for 15 or 20 minutes. Each of the quarters is charred and looks good. Now, an easy way to tell if it's done is just to set this off. I've got this ear here already. Just poke the tip with a fork, and if it's soft and you get some clear liquid coming out, then it's done. So that's a good way to tell. And of course, once you've done it a few times, you know your grill and temperature. You'll know exactly when it's done just based on experience. No matter which method you decide to use, as I mentioned, use the freshest, best corn that you can find and grill it 350 to 400 degrees. Soaking in water is optional, but it does steam the corn, make it more tender and more moist. No matter what you do, enjoy grilling corn. It gives it a unique flavor. Thanks.